everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy, and today I am making sausage gravy. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. And making gravy is not difficult. Honestly, I've never really followed a recipe, and I think you'll understand why after you see how I make it. Now, I will do the best I can and put exact measurements in the description box below for you. But let me just go over these ingredients with you. I'm using a pound of pork sausage, some milk and flour, salt and pepper, and then my secret little ingredient is some Italian seasoning. Now that may sound strange, but trust me when I say it really gives the gravy a delicious flavor. So it is time to cook, you all, and let's make this gravy. And if you are interested in seeing new recipes each week, then subscribe to my channel, and if you hit the notification bell, then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, so I have just placed my sausage into my 12-inch cast iron skillet here, and it's a deep cast iron skillet. So I'm just going to begin to brown this sausage up. So I forgot to mention a little ingredient. You need some butter. Now the sausage has rendered out some fat, but I need to add just a little bit more fat. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. And I'm also going to go ahead and add my Italian seasoning. And it's just one teaspoon. And I'm going to add a good amount of salt. I meant pepper. This is pepper. And then some salt, just a pinch. I may need more. I'll taste it as I go. All right, so now I'm going to start sprinkling in some flour. I'm going to start with 1/4 cup. But I still see a good amount of grease, some of the fat, so I'm going to sprinkle in just a little bit more, and I'm really going to just eyeball this. Now my heat is on a medium heat. Add a little bit more. And just a little bit more. So that was right around 1/2 cup. You want the bottom of the skillet to look a little like it's dried up some. So I'm gonna add just about another tablespoon. Here we go. And I'm gonna let this flour kind of cook out a little bit. The longer you let the flour cook, the darker and richer your gravy will be, because essentially this is like a roux. You've got your butter and your flour. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the milk, and I'm switching to a whisk here. So I'm going to pour in this milk, and I'm going to whisk as I pour. Oh my goodness, I am spilling milk everywhere. I'm making a mess. And you want to whisk continuously while you're pouring this milk. And I'm going to start here with 4 cups. It's 4 cups of milk. But you want to stir, and make sure you get up all the little flour bits on the edges and around the bottom of the skillet. Now I'm just going to keep stirring until this gravy starts to get a little thick. Then I will know if I need to add more milk. All right, as you can see, it is starting to thicken up. All right, it is boiling. I think I will add just a little bit more. Maybe just about 1/4 of a cup, maybe? I don't know, I'm just eyeballing this. So you can see why there's really not an exact measurement on the milk. It really just depends on how thick you want your gravy. I used about 4.5 cups of milk, but I'm gonna give this a taste and see if I need to add any additional salt. I think I do. I think I need just to add just another pinch of salt, maybe 2. I'm gonna taste it again. Yeah, perfect. Oh my goodness, this gravy looks and smells delicious. And of course, I have to have a biscuit because gravy goes with biscuits. And so I will put the link of the recipe and how to make my biscuits up for you. But oh, let me just show you what this looks like. Oh, wow. Listen, this is fantastic. It is so yummy and good. I hope that you give this recipe a try. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.